Do you ever feel overwhelmed with all the moving parts of an online course? You got outlines here, notes there, videos on your camera roll, and files in 3 different folders. If you're an online course creator, whether it's on Skillshare or your own platform, whether you're making your first course or you've made many, you know how messy things can get. Because it's the outline, it's the idea, it's filming, it's editing, it's the content, it's the marketing. I mean, it's a lot to manage. And that's exactly why I created the Notion course management tool. It's entirely built in Notion. This tool will help you organize everything around your course creation process, from idea to launch. And yes, it works with the free version of Notion, and you can get it right away and get started. You will find a smart course dashboard, built-in templates, and an intuitive homepage where you can host all your courses, track your ideas, edit your feedback. Everything is modular and customizable. So whether you teach art classes, business skills, or anything in between, this system adapts to your workflow. Each page includes ready-to-use templates for lessons, class descriptions, and so much more. No need to build it from scratch, but you can tweak it any way you like to fit your teaching style. It's super beginner friendly. I made some walkthrough videos to guide you through each section of this course management tool. That way you know exactly how to start and feel confident using this Notion course management tool. No guessing, no overwhelm. There are 2 versions of this tool. The first version, the light version, is free for Skillshare students. The second version is the full version, and that comes with additional templates if you want to track multiple classes, store assets, log feedback, stay on track of your entire teaching universe, get additional assets, and be part of a community. Curious? Get started and grab your copy of the full template today. You'll save time, stay organized, and have more creative energy to focus on what really matters: teaching. So let's get to it.